Hi, I'm Marek. I'm a graduate research assistant at the University of Iowa in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. For my research, I primarily measured the amount of polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs, present in the blood samples taken from people. PCBs are toxic compounds that were used around the world during the middle of the 1900s in a wide variety of materials, including adhesives and plastics. Their use was banned starting in the 1970s when their harmful health effects were discovered. PCBs have been linked to cancer, autism, and hormone irregularities. Currently, lots of research goes into determining the best methods for removing PCBs from the environment. To determine the best remediation techniques, it's important to understand how PCBs are affecting humans, and this is where my research comes in. My research group collects blood samples from people in Columbus Junction, Iowa, which is a rural area, and East Chicago, Indiana, which is an urban area off of Lake Michigan. Columbus Junction, Iowa has no known major sources of PCBs, while the East Chicago, Indiana area is next to a canal that's heavily polluted with the toxic compounds. I want to know whether PCBs in the blood of East Chicago residents are different than the PCBs in the blood of Columbus Junction residents. The data that we collect will help us understand how our environment affects the level of PCBs in our bodies, and my data could be used to improve the health of people in the United States and around the world. My research group has 4 years of blood samples and will continue collecting samples from these communities for several years. Thanks for your interest in my research, and for more information, visit the following website.